afternoon. We're having a look now at the weekly S&P chart. Now, as I've said, there really seems to be nothing that will stop this going up and taking out the previous 29.40 highs. In saying that, this could be the day where it doesn't do it. We've got a mixed bag of stock markets at the moment. You've got the Japanese one up slightly, Spain up slightly. S&P, well, that's had an overnight low of 29.05, overnight high of 29.10. So they all do look, I could say they're coming under pressure, but the more this thing looks under pressure, the more it's going up. And I think that is people taking a short position and scrambling to get it, you know, to cover it. In saying that, now we are that close to the all-time highs, it probably will have a go at it because it's too near not to, if you see what I mean. You've got the weekly pivot coming in at 28.96. The daily's coming in higher, actually at 29.05. So pre-open, we are trading above that area. We're at 0607 at the moment. So we've got another hour to go, another hour to wait. We do have this gap. Now, that's, you could say, well, maybe that week really constitutes as it fills the gap, but we don't. You know, we've got this gap down to 36. We are diverging on the indicators. We are on the RSI and the ROC just nipping down a little bit, even though the market looks quite good and can go higher. So let's have a look and see what the daily does. Now you can see where the daily chart, let me just squash that up for you. On Friday, again, we had another gap, and this gap on the daily is down to 28.93. Okay, so let's see what happens as we go into the open. Just remember that we are above. If you look at the way that little 9-day moving average has cuddled the price, keep your eye on that as well, the 9-day moving average. As I said, I can't really see any reason why we won't trade higher. If you look at what we did when we got up to that 29.43 area, at the top of the move, we closed lower. Now, obviously, since Christmas, we have just, it's been a one-way ride, just a one-way ticket up with a very, very little retracement correction, not enough to get excited about. Now, if we don't reach for the 29.40, and today will tell us, because normally what happens on a Monday, the market does its own thing, and then it does settle down a bit. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday and Friday is normally a reversal of what it does on Monday. Okay, so this is why we don't like trading on a Monday. But watch this opening gap here, okay, to 93, and let's just see if we can stay above it, stay above the, if you look at that weekly pivot, it's just above, below the gap. So it's 28.91, so 28.91, 28.93, you know, that's going to be good support for you. Okay, I'll catch you later.